I'm going to be unboxing these four virtual pet devices. The Uni, Paradise, the Punirunes, and the Puni Toppy Ton. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my videos. To my channel. And please make sure to support me. Right here we have the Uni that I got. And I put the Puni Toppy Ton on my list, and I really wanted it. It is my dream. And I'm so glad that I got it. Here's the Punirunes. I got this, and I saw ads for it, and it was so cool how you can put your finger in. And I have the Tamagotchi Paradise. This is the one that I got for my birthday, the purple one, and this is the one that I got today for Christmas. Let's start. Sneaky tape.
Oh man. Oh, we just spawned in normal Bulba. It's aging. Oh, twins! It's common, but I don't care.